Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. That being said, you all, it's that time, gratis time, y'all. Yes, another gratis. Say time is moving. Oh, it will be September, moving into the fall month, and I'm not sure if I'm ready, y'all. That being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this hair video because it's probably going to be a little long because I did get some good stuff. So if you want to see what Miss Tamika got for the month of August, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go jump straight into this here gratis haul. Before we jump into the gratis haul, I just wanted to let you know that Sephora was having a Rouge event. So if you are a Rouge member like myself, you already heard about the event. So video goes up, of course it's going to be over, but I just wanted to show you what was a part of the Rouge event. So you got this here Rouge bag. Bag to me is cute. It's like reusable. Bring this back for anybody that purchased Sephora products, especially when you purchase a certain amount, because I don't know, it just feels like, you know, like luxury, like how Sephora is supposed to be. Because I don't know, I be feeling like I'm at Target or Walmart the way things are at Sephora. But anyway, with any purchase, you got this hair bracelet set, and it says you are beautiful. So to give one to someone special, but I ended up keeping them because my daughter already has a set. Like, it came in this here, it says Little Words Project times Sephora. The bag, like I said, I did purchase these here topical eye pads, y'all. These here, I didn't know they are these here are reusable. Maybe 1 or 2 wears out of these here eye patches, and these in my skincare fridge. This Laneige skincare set, because I'm gonna show you, y'all. It has this cute little bag. This was because of the bag, y'all. Look how cute this bag is. Like, it's so cute and squishy, and it comes with the eye sleeping mask and like little minis. So yeah, cute, and it's pink. I just purchased those two items just so I can get the bag and the bracelet. Now let's get on over to this big old gratis, y'all. When I tell you we got a lot of good stuff. So here's the actual bag. I have it in here because we did go to a Fenty event. Show you what I got from Fenty as well. So I'm gonna just pull things out of the bag. I'm not gonna go in any particular order. I did already peek because I just wanted to see, and I did use one of the products today, and I will let you know which one of the products I ended up using today. So we got the all-nighter new setting spray. This one here is the watermelon. I did purchase this already, and I gave it to my daughter, and this one has hyaluronic acid, watermelon fruit extract, and it's an all-day wear. What I'm wearing today, this here is the new Bobbi Brown weightless skin foundation, SPF 15 in it. And if you wanted to use me as a reference, I did get the color neutral almond. Packaging was cute, you all. Like, this is so cute, and I like the fact that it has SPF in it as well. So fragrance, so I will be gifting this because I don't need a men's fragrance, but it's a pretty good size. It's a 2 ounce. Yeah, it smells nice, but again, I'm not that person that wears men's fragrance. Also got something from Dr. Jart. This here is a firming serum. Little pump. This here is Say Glowy Super Gel. This here is in the color Rose Gold. I'm not sure how I would use this because I'm not big on like glowy looks, but yeah, we got this. Lashes. These here are by Lily Lash. These here are the 3D mink lash in Rome. I'm glad we got some lashes, y'all, because I needed some new lashes. And the way I pick my lashes, if you could see, I like them to be short in the front and they get longer towards the end. I don't like my lashes to be one length from the front to the back because I feel like, I don't know, they just don't look right on me. So like I said, I like them to be short in the front and long towards the back. So we got that, y'all. I was really excited for it because this hair just dropped at our store maybe like a couple weeks ago. And this particular item we were sold out. Hey, Sephora, won't he do it? I was like, look, and it's a pretty good size, like 3 ounce. Like they did not skimp on this. Like they gave us a full size bottle, and look how cute the bottle is, y'all. So good. Like, oh my goodness, I don't know if y'all go to a Sephora, please smell this Gucci because it's exclusive to Sephora. Not sure if it's going to be sold in other stores, but when they first came out, it was just exclusive to Sephora. So good. Got something from Hourglass. This here is a skin tint, and I did get the number 14. It looks like this been out for a little while, but yeah, we got that. So I need to try it out to see if it's good or not. Got something from Rare Beauty. This here is her body lotion, y'all. I love the Rare Beauty like skincare set because I have the spray and I also have this. Let me show you the spray. And this is what I usually spray like on the back of my neck. Yeah, it has like something in it to like relax, like to relax you. So yeah, I usually spray that, like I said, on the back of my neck. To Sephora, this here is by Dyson, and this here is a pre-style cream. I just thought the packaging was so cute, you all. Like again, this is from the brand Dyson. Be something that's reusable. I mean, not reusable, refillable. So you just press this and it push out product, or you just push down and it pushes out product. Oh, I like that. Okay, Dyson. Yeah, I was excited about this. We got another Fenty lip. So I did purchase 2, and I was so happy that I didn't have this hair color. So these are the 2 that I purchased, and this is the newest one. Let's see, 04. So it's like this hair color. And I only got one of the lip liners, and this is what I'm also wearing, is one of the lip liners. Also got something from Drunk Elephant. It is a serum that, do you see it? No, but this here is by K Skin. This here is a lightweight lotion, and it has SPF 30. Something from Innisfree. This here is a face mask. It's like a clay mask. It is a pore clay mask. So this is something that I could just put on in the morning, just let it sit for a few hours. The First Aid Beauty whole body deodorant. I've been noticing that this here has been a thing, like a all over body deodorant. How you use this, but I guess you just put it places that where you may have like smells or something. I don't know. Nothing like a perfume or anything, but yeah, we got this. Oh y'all, we got one of the new NARS lipsticks. I got the color Liaison in 821. Our new packaging, and they are refillable type of shade. As you can see, I like the way bullet is shaped because it gets right up in your lip area. I didn't lose some of my footage, but like I was saying, we got the new NARS lipsticks, and they are refillable. Edge sleeping mask, and I did have it in this hair bag, but I wanted the pouch, so it's like, you know, so I'll probably gift this to someone. The Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. I mean, about this hair foundation, this hair is a full coverage foundation. Do medium, but of course we got it to try, so it's like, why not? Labs blush, but do you see the color of this? This here is a red blush, but hopefully I can make it work, put some here and then blend it down or mix the color, because this here is a red blush before. So also got a hair oil from Way. It is the St. Bart's line. Y'all know how I love the whole St. Bart's. Merit brow gel, well, not brow gel, but a brow pomade. But not least, we got one of the new stick blushes. And these hair blushes are not that good. Let me see, because they were saying that they don't show up like that. It's showing up to me. It probably work better on makeup versus the back of your hand, because it's showing up for me. So yeah, this here is in the color, like it's melon sugar, and it's magnetic. At least we got something from Too Faced, you all. Very intense. This here is the Max Injection. When I tell you, these things tingle like crazy. Yeah, and the rest of the things are like cards to show you, like tell you about the product. With those cards, because it kind of like give you information on a product if you're not sure on how to use some of these hair products. Because again, I'm not a skincare girl, so I'm getting into skincare a little more. So yeah, y'all, that was everything we got for our gratis for the month of August. And I will say, we got some good stuff. Like math on these hair things, I'm sure this is well over $1,000 worth of stuff. This is well over $1,000. Like, hey y'all, we went to a Fenty event. It was a few of us that was hand select ones that was chosen to go. So we got this cute Fenty taupe at the bottom. So with the Fenty event, I got the KVD liquid liner. Just because y'all, when I tell you, my daughter is always touching my stuff, and it's brown, so I know she won't touch my brown eyeliner, because she always touch my black ones. The Fenty Skin. Oh, this is the eye cream. Here I'm thinking it's the lip, and I'm glad my daughter told me no, because I thought this was the lip, because the lips are made like this, but it's an eye cream. So yay, any more of the lips like this, because I have 2. So yay, I'm happy I read that. Also got a mini KVD. This one here is in black, so they gave you the full size in the brown and gave you the in the black, and I would have preferred the full size of the black. We got the Ruby Riches, and this here is a highlighter, but this I will use as a eyeshadow. I have this because if I do, I'll probably gift this to someone. So we have that. Got the Fenty fragrance, y'all. This is not everyone's cup of tea. I actually like it. It's like a smell I can't describe. You would have to go in and smell it. Oh God, how did I get this on my hands? Because now my hands gonna smell like it. But yeah, this is a scent you would have to smell for yourself, because everyone didn't like it, but I like it on my body. Like, it smells nice. Thing I got, I was excited for you all, because I wanted to try everything. We also got the new Fenty body cream. Oh my gosh, y'all, this here, I remember when it first came out and I wanted to try it. I'm so glad I didn't buy it. The Skin cherry dub. This here, oh my gosh, you all, it smells like cherries. Yeah, it smells like cherries. It's a let me read it. We also got the Fenty Skin, the cherry dub. Got the Hydro Visor. This here has SPF 30. This is good for you. This is good to use before you put on your makeup. Like, this here is a good skin prep for before you put on your makeup. But you can also wear this by itself, and like I said, this do have SPF 30. 2 Fenty gloss bombs, the mini. We got Riri and Fenty Glow. 2 little miniature gloss bombs. And to get like all my little mini things and do like a little mini video, little miniature things lately. The Ole Hendrickson Juice Daily Cleanser. Y'all, I was so happy to get. I do have the original, but I wanted the matte one. But I wanted the matte version of this because, you know, I'm oily version. And this one do come with a little puff. So you just put it on top like so. And it's just so cute, you all. Like, this has sold out like crazy. We could not keep this in. But when she did her whole new display at our store, we got full stock of this back in. So I was excited about that. Little pocket, so you could tell this bag was made very, very well. It's like a mesh tote. This is like one of them totes you would use when you go to the beach. Got the new Fenty body cream. A lot of shit. Like, if you was to see all this mess in here, y'all, it's a lot. About to take off my makeup because I hung out today with one of my Sephora friends. We went to the farmers market. Oh, and then I also got something from Barbie. And then both of these things came from Forever 21. I'm a Hello Kitty fan, you all. So I got this sweatshirt. I'm not sure if you could see it. Like, the bling is what sold me. Like, look how cute this is. And it's pink. I'm sure you probably can't see it. I'm gonna see if I could put a picture on the side of the screen just to see what this looks like. Did I need this? Absolutely not. But I'm a Barbie girl living in a Barbie world. I'm waiting for the Barbie Stanleys to drop in September. Did get myself one from Love Shack Fancy. Okay, she cute. So, oh, you can do it like so. Okay, she cute. I just like the mirror because it had Barbie on the back. It's $7.99. Okay, y'all. Okay. That was everything that I got. So now I can go ahead and start putting this stuff up. Just moving it out the way. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed this here video. Oh, and before I go, I had a few people in my comment section ask why I kept titling my videos "Sorry for Your Loss" or "Sorry something." The reason why I kept that title the way it was because I don't know what keywords was in that particular title, but it was pushing my videos, that part of the title. And then if you notice towards the end of the title, I will put what the video was about. But I don't know what keywords that was in that particular title, but it was pushing my videos because one of my videos hit like 12,000 views because of the title. So I was like, let me keep using this here title. So people, I don't know why people were so offended about the title. It's just that I just wanted to see, was it the actual title clickbait or anything like that. I don't know why people were so offended. I mean, yes, I was using the title because, like I said, I just wanted to see, was it the actual title that was pushing the video. And it was in the title, but I don't see what was the problem because it was like pushing my video. So like I said, I don't know what was in that title. Enjoyed this here mega haul. Like I said, I got a lot of shit, you all. Of course, will be next month. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this here video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.